Godrej Properties, a renowned name in real estate and as a wholesome group in India, one of the most trusted corporate group in India. So, if I talk about real estate, then Godrej Properties has been really active in real estate in Gurugram city. So, you're going to see so many projects across all the corners, all the premium roads of our premium Gurugram city. My name is Vandana Saroj and I am presenting RERA approved channel partner firm which covers luxurious real estate market of our Gurugram city, and the firm name is Premium Gurugram. Let's start this Palm Island theme based project Godrej Alira from Godrej Properties. So on Dwarka Expressway, Godrej Vriksha, the recent launch by Godrej Properties, and their recently launched project Godrej Miraya on Golf Course Road, Godrej Estra, again Golf Course Road, and Godrej Vriksha and Zenith in New Gurgaon, and Vriksha is on Dwarka Expressway. All these 4 projects I have already covered. And if you are looking for any luxury apartment in Godrej Properties across Gurugram city, then you can connect with us. Now let's talk about today's project. So Godrej Properties has been doing launches back to back, and recently they have launched one of their palm theme based project, that is the Godrej Alira from Sector 39. Sector 39 is the one location which is the most ideal location for all the doctors or medical professionals. So if you're working in Medanta Hospital, just 2 minutes walking distance of this particular project land patch. If you are working in any hospital apart from Medanta also, then you need to drive for 5 to 50 minutes of time to reach to any hospital from Godrej Alira land patch. Godrej Alira is a one project which is theme based project, and it is based on palm trees theme. So if you are going to have a look of this project, and definitely I am going to share the look of this project, the look of their luxurious clubhouse, all amenities in this video itself, and then you are going to experience all palm trees here and there because of the theme of the project. This is the luxurious high-rise project, and the total number of tower, there are no tower, only one tower, and the tower height is approx G plus 33. So one tower is exclusively for approx 132 families only. Now it's time to look at the actual construction site, where I have already explained this particular location in detail. So you're going to look at the land patch, the surrounding, and the huge sports complex which is very nearby to this Godrej Alira's land patch. So the total land patch here is of approx 2 acres. And now let's look at the location, understand the land patch and nearby surrounding, and come back to the project details. ये NH8 है और हम आ रहे हैं दिल्ली की तरफ से. अब यहाँ से आप एग्जिट 10 ले लेते हैं. अगर आपको मेदांता की तरफ जाना है तो यहाँ से लेफ्ट आप लेंगे तो स्ट्रेट ही मेदांता आएगा, लेकिन उससे पहले बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट वो है ताऊ देवीलाल स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स, जो कि अप्रोक्स 45 एकड़ का है, मेरे राइट साइड पर है. ये एक ऐसी जगह है, कॉम्प्लेक्स है, जहाँ पर सारी स्पोर्ट्स एमिनिटीज हैं. अगर आपको या आपके जो चिल्ड्रन हैं, दे हैव डीप इंटरेस्ट इन स्पोर्ट्स. अब आप स्ट्रेट जाएंगे तो यही मेदांता वाला रोड है, और हमारे राइट पर आप देख सकते हो मेदांता हॉस्पिटल, सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल है. एंड जो भी डॉक्टर्स यहाँ पर एज अ प्रोफेशन दे आर वर्किंग इन मेदांता, और सम पीपल हु आर इन क्रिटिकल नीड ऑफ मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज, देन दे वुड लाइक टू स्टे इन दिस एरिया. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इज अ फुल्ली डेवलप्ड लोकेशन. तो मेदांता के बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट ये एक रोड आ जाता है जिसको इन डेप्थ हम दिखा रहे हैं. यहीं से आप लेंगे लेफ्ट ऑपोजिट साइड पर और स्ट्रेट आप चलते जाएंगे तो यहाँ पर एक लैंड पैच आ जाता है गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज का, जहाँ पर आप ये लग्जूरियस प्रोजेक्ट बहुत जल्दी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये जो सेक्टर 39 का एरिया है ये फुल हेबिटेंसी के साथ है। यहाँ पर लोग रह रहे हैं, सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर डेवलप्ड है। ये एक डेवलप्ड लोकेशन आ जाती है गुरुग्राम सिटी की। और ये आप देखिए गोदरेज का लैंड पैच जहाँ पर ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है। ये एक लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट होने वाला है, हाई राइज लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट। और अगर मैं सेक्टर 39 की बात करूँ तो यहाँ से आप मेट्रो स्टेशन आप जा सकते हो अप्रोक्स 10 से 15 मिनट के टाइम में। आप यहाँ से मेन जो गुड़गांव है पूरा एक्सेस कर सकते हो। NH8 जहाँ से हम आए हैं, साथ में मेदांता, आरटी में सारे हॉस्पिटल्स अप्रोक्स 10 से 15 मिनट की ड्राइविंग टाइम में सारे हॉस्पिटल्स आपको मिल जाते हैं। सो दिस कैन बी द परफेक्ट चॉइस फॉर द प्योर इन्वेस्टमेंट or the good rental in coming time as a passive income, or if you yourself is a doctor and want to stay just 2 minutes away from your hospital working place. So this was the location surrounded with all hospitals, metro connectivity, corporate hub, and very near to NH8 apart from sports complex. Now back to the Godrej Alira project. This project is newly launched project. So they have launched it recently only. Now it's time to look at their luxurious clubhouse surrounded with palm trees. The theme of Godrej Alira. Approx 1.97 acres का जो ये लैंड पैच है सेक्टर 39 में, it is going to have a luxurious clubhouse with palm island theme like a resort. And the clubhouse here is going to have sunken seating, zen pocket, kids play area, tree house, club front, palm avenue, water feature, outdoor party area, pool deck with loungers, swimming pool, jacuzzi, kids pool, forest walk, dense tree grove, golf putting, flower garden. And now let's talk about the sizes. So here you are going to see two sizes. First is 3 BHK and then 4 BHK. In 3 BHK segment there is one size approx 24-26 square feet 3 BHK plus servant, and in 4 BHK plus servant there are two sizes. The first size is approx 3082 square feet and the next size in 4 BHK is approx 3167 square feet. This is the time when you can avail the first rate in this project. And if I talk about the position of this luxurious project based on Palm Island theme, surrounded with all major hospitals of Gurgaon, NH8, sports complex, metro, and the upcoming IKEA nearby. So here you can expect the position within a time span of approx 4 to 5 years. So these were the all details of Godrej Alira, a premium luxury high-rise project from Sector 39, a well-developed and heart of premium Gurugram city. Let's meet in next video with a new project. And meanwhile, if you're looking for any luxurious project across any project of Godrej properties in Gurgaon city, then you can connect with us. And you must share this video with your friend who is working in any hospital and looking for one luxurious apartment for stay or for pure investment for a good rental yield as a passive income in coming years. So yes, this can be one of the perfect choice for good passive income as well. Let's meet in next video with a new project. Bye bye.